Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm here to give you 5 money-saving tips in Audible. 2 of those tips Audible does not want you to know about it. You cannot find this information on their site anywhere. But first, if you're watching, you probably already have some credits accrued. I would love to know how much. So please comment below and tell me how many credits you have in your Audible account right now. I personally have 1. Actually, no, I have 2 because I just got charged today. Clearly, I need to follow these tips as well. Tip number 1, know how long credits last. Interestingly, I didn't know how long they lasted until I did some research for this video a couple of weeks ago. So the simple thing is they last for 1 year. Interestingly, they only lasted 6 months until about a year ago in April 2019 after a class action lawsuit. Lucky us. Number 2, exchange audiobooks. This is a great feature that I didn't know about until last year when I called up customer service. Have you ever purchased a book that you just didn't like, where you didn't like the story or you didn't love the narrator? Well, now you know that you can exchange audiobooks. You can do it up to 1 year of purchase. But do not abuse this because Audible is tracking and they will investigate if they see that you're using this feature too much. So from within Audible, I can go to my account details and purchase history. And I've changed my mind about this book, so I'm going to click on exchange. And here we go. And there, it processed by refund, and I can go use a credit again. Just to get back there, I was able to do that because the book was purchased less than a year ago. And as you can see, if I went back to like 2019, you cannot exchange these books because they've been purchased too long ago. Tip number 3, pause your plan for up to 3 months. If you're anything like me, you let your credits accrue because you can't decide what book you want next. So you can easily do this online or call customer service. There's actually 2 ways to do it online, and I can show you that in a little bit. But just remember that you can use this feature only once a year. Hey, so the pause membership is not easy to find. You'd expect to see it in the account page, but it's not. If we look at the switch membership page, we see that gold and platinum are the only options here. So what I found is you have to go to the Contact Us page and request it. Select for pause membership, click on chat, type it in. They really make you jump through hoops for this. And there you go. The next 2 tips, Audible does not want us to know about. I have not been able to find it documented anywhere in the site. But first, please remember to like my video below and subscribe to this channel so you can get the next video that I have with tips and tutorials. Also, don't forget to share it with any friends who might be interested in this information as well. Tip number 4, the Audible Lite Annual Plan. To be honest, I have not actually seen this plan myself offered on the site, but I did see it elsewhere, and I'm going to share it with you here. Okay, so here is where I found out about the Audible Lite Annual Plan. It is at gladreaders.com. According to this description, you pay $9.95 for a year to extend the expiration date of your unused credits. I suppose this is helpful if you have a lot of credits and you don't have Audible books that you want to spend them on. I'm not sure. Anyway, the site goes on to explain how to navigate and activate the Audible Lite plan. I attempted this myself and I could not find it, but perhaps I'm not eligible, but I just thought I'd share it with you so you can try it yourself. Tip number 5, the silver subscription plan. I want to switch to it now because I think it'll be better for my reading habits with Audible. Let's look for that elusive silver plan. Account details. We're going to choose to cancel membership here.
Make sure that you have 0 credits available before you continue, because you don't want to lose those credits you paid for. Also, I see that Audible is giving us one last chance to exchange audiobooks here. We're going to choose to cancel. I'm going to give the "it's too expensive" explanation. Okay, last week when I tried this, I saw 2 other options here. The silver plan and the option to pause my membership. So clearly they have an algorithm that decides when or when not to offer certain options. So this is what I have now. Just to confirm, I did contact customer service to make sure that the silver plan is still available, and it is. So if you do really want the silver plan, which gives you 1 credit every other month, you can call up customer service or you can chat with them online.
Hey, so thanks for listening to these 5 tips, and please remember to like and share this video if you found it helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe so you can get notified with my next video. Thanks!